Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Sometimes, an iPhone can get stuck on the recovery screen after a failed update. What should you do in this situation? In this video, I'll show you how to fix an iPhone stuck on the recovery screen or in recovery mode. Let's get started. Method 1. Force restart your iPhone. This is the method officially recommended by Apple and is definitely worth a try. Using my iPhone as an example, press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, then press and hold the side power button. Keep holding it until the Apple logo appears. If this doesn't work, or if your buttons aren't functioning properly, let's try the next method. Method 2. Use Gbyte to exit recovery mode with a single click, completely free. That's right, you heard me correctly. You can solve the problem with just one click. This is Gbyte. It can also fix over 150 different iOS system issues. Check the download link in the description below to install it. Then, connect your phone to your PC or Mac. Once Gbyte recognizes your iPhone, click Exit Recovery Mode. Look, the screen is changing. It will be back to normal in no time. Method 3. Repair using iTunes. Using iTunes is another common method. Keep your phone connected to the computer. Launch iTunes and a pop-up window will appear. You can choose to fix the issue via restore or update. However, this method might result in data loss during the repair process. If you check the download progress in the top right corner, I'm sure the wait will test your patience. So, here is a more efficient way to fix an iPhone stuck on the recovery screen without losing any data. Open Gbyte again. Then, click the blue Start button. Keep your iPhone connected to your PC or Mac. Here, we'll select Standard Repair, which preserves your data. Next, click Download to get the appropriate firmware for the repair. Once the firmware download is complete, click Start for the final step. The whole process takes about 10 minutes, so please be patient. Alright, my iPhone has restarted and is back to normal. Let's check it out. Great, all the data is still there. That covers the tutorial on how to fix an iPhone stuck on the recovery screen. If you successfully resolve the issue using one of these methods, please don't forget to give us a like. I would greatly appreciate it if you could subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for our next video.